Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can delete partitions in Windows 10. Now we're going to use two different methods. The first is through the disk management utility and the second is from the command prompt. And if you're trying to delete a partition that is on an internal drive, like the main drive that your Windows is installed on, you're going to have to use the command prompt method. So go ahead and connect your disk to your system and open the disk management tool. To open the disk management tool, tap the Win+R keyboard shortcut and enter this app name and then tap enter. The tool is going to show you all the drives that are connected to your PC and they're going to be partitions there. Now, to delete a partition in the disk management tool, what you need to do is right click the partition that you want to delete and then select delete volume from the context menu. The partition is going to be deleted and it's going to show up as unallocated space. So to do this in the command prompt, you need to first open the command prompt with admin rights and run this command on your screen. This is going to activate the disk partition tool. Run this second command and it is going to list all the disks or all the drives that are connected to your system. Now this command is going to return a number next to the disks that are connected, and this number is important for referencing the disk. So you now need to select the disk that you're going to be deleting a partition from. Enter this command and replace this number at the end with the number of the disk. Now that the disk is selected, you need to view the partitions that it has. Run this command to do that. And here are all the partitions that are present on the disk that you selected. To delete a partition, what you need to do is you need to select it first. When you ran the list partition command, you were shown an entire list of the partitions and each partition has a number next to it. This is what we use to reference the partition. So we're going to select the partition that we want to delete. The command's on your screen right now. Once the partition has been selected, we can run the delete command and that is going to delete the partition and it's going to show up as unallocated space. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.